Wanted to take a few minutes and talk about the spicy Puppodums or Puppodums, however you say that. Puppodums? Anyways, they're Indian food. It says authentic light crisp snack, company for any Indian cuisine. All right. So what it is lentil flour, rice flour, salt, sunflower oil, and as you can see here, it is vegetarian approved. So I wanted to show you how to cook them real quick. So here's how they come. Of course, they come wrapped, shrink wrapped. I put them in a Ziploc bag. It says store them in a Ziploc or an airtight bag when you open them up. So I have one in the microwave. I hope you can see in there, but this is what it looks like before. All right. 30 seconds. Let's watch this puppy grow. All right. So after 30 seconds, you go from this to this. And you could use it for many different things, but it's like a cracker.
Some, Daddy. Can I have some?
As you can see, kids like them.
Hey, this is Kim. Thanks for the
So,
If you
like I
guys
said, it's really good. I've dipped it in peanut butter before. It tastes really good. But you could think of any kind of sauce, or if you just was wanting a cracker that wasn't, enriched flour, then that's a perfect way to make a cracker or a chip. All right. Have a good day.